Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello everyone, Angel si Matasha. Now, in this time, I would like to do the talks about describing people, and I will describe my brother. My brother is quite a tall person and well shaped. He has short black hair, but sometimes he likes to cut his hair until it's only 5 centimeters is left, and usually people call it a buzz cut. His eyes is black and it's almond shaped. He also has a thick eyebrows, and his nose is not too sharp and it's also not too flat, and maybe we call it a medium nose. My brother is really a diligent and hardworking person. He always pushing himself to do the best since he was in junior high school. He's also an adventure seeker with a passion to explore nature and trying new things. He really likes climbing the mountain, and there are so many mountains that he has climbed, such as Tambora, Semeru, Bromo, Rinjani, and etc. And for your information, he has climbed Rinjani for 5 times. My brother is one of the kindest and most compassionate person I've ever met. He always willing to offer some help and give some advice when I really need it. He is a great role model and someone who I look up to, and I'm very lucky to have him as my brother. And that's all my description about my brother. Thank you. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.